Hello, thankful people, and welcome welcome back to my YouTube channel. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe button if you're not yet subscribed. So anyways, today's video is going to be a DIY. So what you're going to need is some sort of pumpkin tangs, some scrap material, any like scrap fall looking material. So this is some like scrap ribbon, and this is some scrap like other ribbon that's like sequin ribbon. Here's what it looks like if you can tell. It's like sequiny. And a jar, mason jar of some sort. Any sort of jar will work, depending on how big you want it. This one from spaghetti sauce, or I think it's from spaghetti sauce. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna start by putting these in and kind of like just kind of throwing these in the jar and just kind of put them all in the jar as you see. So once you have it like that, so this is what it should look like once you get it like that. And then if there's anything left, you can just kind of play around with it how you want it and how you want to move the stuff that you were putting in the jar. There. Now we're going to open these pumpkins, the sparkly pumpkins, and we are going to go ahead and stick these in the jar. Just kind of make them different heights. Okay. Move this over a little bit. Sorry about that, you guys. And this is kind of what it looks like so far. You just can kind of make the heights. However, then you have a really cute fall DIY. Isn't that cute? So that's what it looks like from the top and then from the side angle. So I'm going to put it there. So anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this DIY. So I think it turned out really cute. Make sure to like and subscribe and comment down below if you like this DIY, if it turned out good. Anyways, thank you all for watching. Please like and subscribe to this YouTube channel. See y'all. Have a great, beautiful, and wonderful day.